Hello, this is Dustin Heath from HawkEye Accounting and Tax. I'm starting a little mini series, if you will, regarding um, different key performance indicators, also referred to as key KPIs. I've had a couple of clients reach out to me recently and wanted to start seeing if there's anything that they particularly need to be tracking differently in order to utilize this data that they're capturing. So I've identified a few that I'm going to be sharing. There's going to be one per video, so this video is not going to last very long. The first one is it's revenue per customer or per member or per client. Um, doesn't take a whole lot of data. Doesn't take a whole lot of math, and it's basically you divide the total amount of revenue that you receive um, by the number of clients for a particular period of time. And this is really helpful for seasonal type businesses. If you think about gyms, New Year's resolutions, a lot of their revenue comes at the beginning of the year. So you're not going to want to compare these numbers for first quarter versus fourth quarter, but first quarter of year one versus first quarter of year two will definitely help you realize what year you're doing better in. And you can track this on a monthly, quarterly, annual basis, if you will. Um, I mean, this indicator also assumes that a good number of your costs are fixed. Um, so your utilities are typically the same. Your utilities don't go up based on the number of users you've got. Knowing that, you can look at it on, or excuse me, having that fixed cost amount there will allow you to not only look at this as a total revenue per customer, but you could also look at net income per customer. Um, you could do a little bit different types of analysis. You could look at it on a male versus female basis if you prefer. The only thing I would advise there is that you divide your revenue based on the same ratio as your users. So if you have 60% of your users are female, then make sure you only looking at 60% of your revenue or your 60% of your net income. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You will have to capture revenue. You will have to capture the number of users, and this would include, in the case of the fitness center, the gym, they would need to collect the number of actual members as well as any guests that members may be bringing in to try out the gym for the first time, or any kind of promotional traffic that they may receive. If you got any questions or any comments, please include them in the comment section below, or feel free to reach out to us through our website. Hope you all have a good rest of the day, and until the next video. All right, thanks.